The Department/Unit Affiliation section of a person's digital measures profile lists information about their employment. In this video tutorial, I will edit the Department/Unit Affiliation section of a sample digital measures profile. In the Digital Measures main menu, the Department/Unit Affiliation section is located in the Bibliographical Information section. After clicking on the Department/Unit Affiliation item in the Digital Measures main menu, you will be directed to a list of all the entries for this section. For the purposes of tracking your employment history, you should have an item for each academic year, even if your position did not change from one year to the next. In this sample digital measures profile, you can see that there are entries listed for each academic year since the 2009-2010 academic year. To add a new item for the current academic year, you have two options. First, if your position or rank did not change since the previous academic year, you can simply duplicate a previous year's entry by clicking on the copy icon. You will then be directed to a form into which you can input information. The form will contain information from the previous year's entry which you copied. So, from the drop-down list at the top of the page, you can change the academic year to the current one. Then, click the Save and Return button. If your position or rank has changed since the previous academic year, you can use the second option for creating a new item, which is clicking on the Add a New Item button. You will then be directed to a form into which you can enter information. Make sure to select the current academic year from the drop-down menu at the top of the form. Then, fill out as many of the other fields as you can. When you are done entering information, click the Save and Return button.